Guess what I'm eating for the third time in a row? That British lady's food. Anyways, got me a can of tuna. Fries, get the tuna. Dunk it in there. And then the maker, a big razzle dazzle drizzle drazzle of QP. First bite. You hear that? Crispy. Cheers. Oh. Mmm. So good. Mmm. I think I burnt my tongue. Mmm.